I am repeating the definition of partial differential equation. Partial differential equation are those which contain one or more partial derivatives or differential coefficients, and hence to be considered with at least two independent variables. The order of partial differential equation is the order of highest partial differential coefficients appearing in it, and we yesterday seen that we have taking, if there are only two independent variables, then we precisely take x and y. If we increase the number of independent variables more than two, then we denote the variable instead of xy as like x1, x2, x3, and x up to xn and so on. Also, we have seen some standard notation. Keep in mind orderly capital small p q r s t. The notation of small p is equal to dou z by dou x. Small q dou z by dou y. P q r dou 2z by dou x square. Yes, dou 2z by dou x dou y. And t dou 2z by dou y square. Hello? These are some standard notation throughout the paper. If we replace x and y by x1, x2, then precisely dou z by dou x when we denote by p1 and dou z by dou x2 denoted by q instead of q, p2. And other same r s t as it is. Taking here derivation of a partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary constants, and other is derivation of partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary functions. Difference between constant and function. Functions means u equal to 3x square plus 3y plus 3. C is equal to 2x cube plus 3y cube plus 3xy. That means u is function of both x and y, and u equal to this. Otherwise, we precisely denote function of both x and y. Here also, v is also function of both x and y. This is the notation. फक्त v जरी घेतलं तर ऍक्च्युली फंक्शन एक्स वाय आहे, त्यामुळं v इज फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स वाय. आणि कॉन्स्टंट आणि आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट 3, 3, 3, 2, these are the constants only. And here if we replace this by small c1, now this is the arbitrary constant. See the difference between constant and arbitrary constant and some functions. Derivation of a partial differential equation by elimination of arbitrary constants. Derivation of a partial differential equation by elimination of an arbitrary constant, or formation of partial differential equation by the elimination of an arbitrary constant. Let phi of x, y, z, a, b is any function. Let phi of x, y z a b equal to 0, where a and b are two arbitrary constants. Phi of x y z a b equal to 0. Let us suppose the equation 1. Is it a partial differential equation or not? Is this partial differential equation? No, there is no any partial differential coefficient, because x, y, z, where x, y both are two independent variables, z is dependent variable, a and b are two arbitrary constants. This is the only function in x, y, z and with arbitrary constant. Where a, b are arbitrary constants. Arbitrary constants. Now, differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, we get the two equations. Differentiating equation 1 partially, this is again important word. Differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, we get differentiating equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, we get see the derivative of phi. I am taking the derivative of phi with respect to x partially. So here dou phi by, see how to take the derivative x, y, z, where z is also function of x and y. Dou phi by dou x into dou x by dou x or dx by dx, because x is independent variable. Dou phi by dou x dx by dx, or directly put the value is 1, plus dou phi 1 by 1 variable घेतोय मी x y z. x y independent variables आहेत आणि z हा dependent variable आहे, depending on both x and y. So dou phi by dou x dx by dx plus dou phi by dou y by dou x. इथं मी dx by dx घेऊ शकतो, इथं घेत नाही, किंवा ह्याला पण तुम्हाला तसंच लिहायचं असेल तर लिहू शकतो. Dou x by dou x is same as dx by dx and value is 1, plus dou phi by dou z by dou x, but z is dependent on x, so the value of dou z by dou x is not vanishes, plus dou phi by x y z. Next a, dou phi by dou a and dou a by dou x, plus dou phi by dou b and dou b by dou x, and value equal to 0. The derivative of 0 with respect to x is 0. X, y, z, a, b. These are three variables and two arbitrary constants. Dou phi by dou x. मी हे समजण्यासाठी स्टेप घेतले, म्हणून मी हे लिहून घ्या म्हटलं होतं तुम्हाला, की हे डायरेक्ट व्हॅल्यू घे. आपण नोट्स मध्ये काय करतो, डायरेक्ट व्हॅल्यू घेतले तर चालतं. Dou phi by dou x value is into 1, that is dou phi by dou x plus dou phi by dou y by dou x. What is the value of dou y by dou x? Tell me. The given part is x and y both are independent variable. There is no relation between y and x, so the value of dou y by dou x is 0. Dou phi by dou z and dou z by dou x. What is the standard value of dou z by dou x? Tell me. Which implies dou phi by dou x plus the value of dou x by dou x is 1. Dou phi by dou y into dou y by dou x by dou y by dou x is 0, and this is vanishes, plus dou phi by dou z. And what is the value of dou z by dou x? Tell me. Standard notation.
P.
Small p, right? Very good. What is the value of dou a by dou x? A is arbitrary constant and derivative of arbitrary constant with respect to x, and it is 0. Similarly, dou b by dou x, and again b is arbitrary constant, so derivative of b is with respect to x is 0. So this is only this, and which is equal to 0. Otherwise, put the equation number next. This is by using the derivative of function phi with respect to x, or equation 1 with respect to x partially. Similarly find this dou phi by dou y, derivative of equation 1 with respect to y partially. आता जिथे x दिसतंय तिथे तुम्ही y बदलू शकता. dou phi by पहिल्या केस मध्ये इथं dou phi by dou x by dou y. सगळीकडे x च्या ठिकाणी नव्हे. किंवा जसं आता हे घेतलं होतं तसंच मी पुढचं इक्वेशन घेतो. बघा आता मी काय घेतो ते. dou phi by dou पहिला व्हेरिएबल dou x and dou x by dou y with respect to y घेत असल्यामुळे x चा with respect to y घेतो. प्लस dou phi by dou y and dou y by dou y. Dou phi by dou z by dou y. Dou phi by dou a and dou a by dou y. Dou phi by dou b and dou b by dou y, which is equal to 0. That is, or which implies, see here, x and y independent, so dou x by dou y is value 0. And so first term vanishes. What about the second? Dou phi by dou y into dou y by dou y, that is dy by dy, and value is 1.
1.
So it is dou phi by dou y only, plus next dou phi by dou z as it is. And what is the value of dou z by dou y?
Q.
Small q, very good. Similarly, dou a by dou y 0, dou b by dou y equal to 0, and we get the third equation. So we thus have three equations: equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3, involving two arbitrary constants. So eliminating arbitrary constant AB from equation 1, 2, 3, we get the equation and is of the form phi of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0. Otherwise, put the equation next. By eliminating arbitrary constants small ab from these three equations, from equation 1, 2, 3, we get an equation of the form phi of x, y, z, p, q equal to 0. Value of p is dou z by dou x, value of q is dou z by dou y. That means this equation number 4 is a partial differential equation, and which is obtained by the elimination of arbitrary constant from equation number 1. See, equation number 4, there is no now arbitrary constant. So it is, and what is the order of equation number 4? See the order x, y, z, these are the variables, independent variables x, y, and z is dependent variable. And p and q, these are only the two partial differential coefficients. And we know that the order of partial differential equation is the order of highest partial differential coefficient appearing in it. Now see in equation number 4, there are two partial differential coefficients, dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y having the same order, and order is equal to 1. So highest order is 1. So order of partial differential equation 4 is 1. Order of partial differential equation 4 is 1. And the given equation 4, now obtain the equation 4 is a linear in small p and q. Linear partial differential equation of order 1 in p and q. For 3 equations, 2 arbitrary constants. आता इथं नंबर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल्स 2 आहेत, आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट पण 2 आहे. नंबर ऑफ आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट किती आहेत? 2, ए आणि बी. नंबर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट व्हेरिएबल्स ते पण 2 आहेत, एक्स आणि वाय. इफ देर आर मोर आर्बिट्ररी कॉन्स्टंट्स दॅन the number of independent variables, after elimination of these arbitrary constants we get higher order partial differential equation. This is the first order partial differential equation which is obtained by the elimination of arbitrary constant from the given equation. But if there are more arbitrary constants, that means more arbitrary constant than number of independent variables, then we get the higher order partial differential equations. Single equation precisely, but that equation will be the higher order, higher than 1. This is the simple procedure. This is out of syllabus, but we needed in whole syllabus the procedure, or what is the meaning of elimination of arbitrary constant, what is the meaning of elimination of arbitrary function, that we needed in the syllabus. See one example. Find the partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary constant AB from the given differential equation. Find partial differential equation. Find partial differential equation by the elimination of arbitrary constant AB by elimination of arbitrary constants A and B from Z equal to AX plus BY AB. This is the given equation involving two arbitrary constants A and B, and form a partial differential equation by the elimination of AB. What is the procedure? First take the derivative. There are two independent variables X and Y. There are two arbitrary constants A and B. So number of arbitrary constants is same as number of independent variables. So whatever it may be the differential equation, having the precisely partial differential equation of order 1. And it is the linear partial differential equation in small p and q. How to eliminate? Same procedure. First, this is equation number 1. Differentiating equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x and y partially, we get two equations. पहिल्यांदा with respect to x घेतलं तर काय इक्वेशन येईल सांगा मला? dou z by dou x is equal to, what is the value? RHS? Partial derivative with respect to x घेतलं तर RHS ला काय येईल? फक्त a येईल का? a into derivative of x with respect to x is 1, and b into derivative of y with respect to x is 0, and these a, b are constants, so value is 0. So dou z by dou x equal to a 1. But dou z by dou x, what is the value? P equal to A or A equal to P. This is equation number 2. Similarly, ते समजतंय ना, पार्शियल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला मी इक्वेशन वरचा डो झेड बाय डो एक्स आणि RHS ला त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स घेतला पार्शियली, तर A as it is डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ x is 1 plus B into derivative of y with respect to x is 0, derivative of constant is 0, so it is A only. So dou z by dou x equal to A, that means P equal to A or A equal to P. Similarly, dou z by dou y equal to B. See here, A into 0, B into dou y by dou y, that is 1 and constant value is 0. Dou z by dou y equal to B implies Q equal to B or B equal to Q, and equation number 3. Now eliminate AB from equation 1, 2, 3, we get. Eliminating arbitrary constant AB from equation number 1, 2, 3. Equation number 1 is Z equal to AX plus BY plus AB. Equation 2, A equal to P, and equation 3, B equal to Q. By eliminating A and B from equation 1, 2 and 3, we get Z is equal to AX plus BY plus AB. A equal to P. I am replacing A equal to P in equation number 1. We get Z equal to PX, B replacing by Q. So PX QY, A by P which is the required partial differential equation. सिंपल आहे प्रोसिजर, तुम्हाला एकदा लक्षात आली की मग बाकी काय अडचण नाही.